Hello ma'am, my name is Ronmar JD Alo from Visa 1AB, and today I'll be sharing you my knowledge about critical listening. So what do we mean about critical listening? The academe is a space for different kind of message, from very scholarly and formal ones. Part of being a good listener is learning how to handle this message and distinguish what should be taken seriously and what can be taken lightly. Descriptive translate images and other visual information into spoken words so that listeners can access, enjoy, and learn from works of popular, cultural, or educational importance. There are 5 strategies of critical listening. Number 1. Set your goal.